Karunasagaram Shantam Arunachalavasinam Sri Seshadri Gurum Vande Brahme Bhutam Taponitim. Today I am going to share with you my experience with Mahan and how I came to know about this lovely family of Sadhguru Sri Seshadri Swamigal. In 2000, I and my husband, we were jobless almost for 1.5 years, and we were having a newborn baby also in our house. During this time, one of my neighbor, she suggested that we should go and meet Sri Sharma ji, who has come from Chennai, and he is a divine astrologer, so that at least he can guide you in a better way. But somehow we were reluctant to go and meet him, as we were very disappointed from everywhere. But as she told us that no, we should definitely go and meet him, and we will definitely get some guidance. So somehow we made up our mind, and we go and met Sri Sharma ji, and believe me, that was the good decision we took that day. And during this prediction, Sri Sharma ji predicted that we should pray to Mahan and everything will be alright. And as told by him, we were doing all the japas and pujas every day. But somehow that time came, but nothing was happening. And I was losing faith in Mahan and Sri Sharma ji's prediction. But that one night I was very disappointed, and I started feeling very negative about Mahan, and I was losing faith in Sri Sharma ji's prediction. But that night, with tears in my eyes, I was praying to Mahan that I don't want to lose faith in him, and that he should show us some way, some sort of light. And believe me, that night my prayer was answered, and the next day morning at 9:30 a.m. I got a call from an IT company, and I was selected for the job, and I took up that job and I served that company for 5 years. This is not all. The same day at 12:30, my husband also got a call from a leading post-production house in Mumbai, and he also got a job that day, the same day, and he's still doing that job. It is almost 19-20 years. This was the best decision we ever took in our life, and this was the turning point in our life as we came to know about Mahan, his blessings, and how he guides his disciple who surrenders their self completely at his holy feet. Mahan will never keep any sort of difference in caste, creed and religion. Whoever surrenders their self at his holy feet, he will definitely make their life beautiful, and that person's life will blossom everywhere. Thank you.